Sam Bankman-Fried just lost his final shot at freedom. The guy who stole billions from everyday crypto investors? He's staying in prison for 25 years. And what the court just said about his case changes everything for crypto regulation moving forward. Here's what just went down. A federal appeals court looked at SBF's conviction and said, "We're keeping it exactly as is. No reduced sentence. No technicalities. No get-out-of-jail card." The three-judge panel called the original trial robust and said the evidence of fraud was overwhelming. Translation? The justice system just told crypto scammers, "We're coming for you, and you will pay." Now, if you're new to crypto, let me catch you up real quick. Sam Bankman-Fried ran FTX, which was once the second biggest crypto exchange in the world. People trusted him with their Bitcoin, their Ethereum, their life savings. He had celebrity endorsements. He hung out with politicians. He looked like a good guy in crypto. But behind the scenes, he was using customer money like his personal piggy bank. $8 billion vanished. Regular people lost everything. The court's decision matters because SBF's lawyers tried every trick in the book. They said the trial was rushed. They claimed the judge was biased. They argued that FTX customers might get some money back, so maybe the fraud wasn't that bad. The appeals court shut down every single argument. They said the trial judge gave SBF every fair chance, and the jury got it right. This wasn't a mistake. This was calculated theft. Here's why this connects to something way bigger than just one criminal. The financial system is going through a massive upgrade right now. It's called ISO 20022, and it's basically a new language that banks and payment systems worldwide are adopting. Think of it like everyone switching from flip phones to smartphones at the same time. Tokens like XRP, XLM, YLGO, and HBE are built to work with this new system. They're designed for the regulated, institutional world of finance. And that's the key word, regulated. What happened with FTX? That was the Wild West crypto. No rules. No oversight. Just trust me, bro energy. But ISO 20022 tokens are playing a completely different game. They're working with banks, with governments, with the actual financial system. The SBF verdict sends a clear message. The days of unregulated crypto cowboy behavior, they're over. The future belongs to projects that play by the rules. Major institutions are watching this case closely. They want to get into crypto, but they need to know the legal framework is solid. This appeals court decision gives them that confidence. It says fraud is fraud, whether it happens with dollars or digital assets. That clarity is exactly what institutional money needs to feel safe entering the space. And when institutional money flows in, that's when ISO 20022 tokens really shine, because they're built for exactly the kind of regulated environment. So what should you watch for next? First, expect more enforcement actions. The SEC and DOJ just got a green light that their approach works. They're going to go after other bad actors even harder. Second, watch for institutional adoption to accelerate. With legal clarity improving, banks and payment processors will move faster on blockchain integration. Third, keep your eye on ISO 20022 token partnerships. As the traditional finance world embraces this new standard, projects that connect to it will have massive advantages. The SBF case also reminds us why custody matters. Never leave your crypto on exchanges long-term. Not your keys, not your coins. Hardware wallets exist for a reason. Protecting your assets is your responsibility. And this case proves that even the most trusted platforms can collapse overnight. Bottom line, this appeals court decision is a win for crypto's future. It separates legitimate blockchain innovation from criminal behavior. It protects investors, and it paves the way for the next generation of regulated digital finance. The scammers are getting weeded out. The real projects are moving forward. And that's exactly what this industry needs. This is educational content only, not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing. The crypto space moves fast, and what's true today might change tomorrow. Follow Stack Daily 60 for daily crypto and money tips.